I know you?
I'm new. I just moved in from Africa.
What?
I used to be homeschooled.
What?
My mom told me at home.
No, I know what homeschool is. I'm not retarded.
Retarded?
Wat?
Ja,
Ik zie...
Retarded? Retarded. Snap je het zo?
Retarded.
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 Laatste keer.
Ja, anders ga ik huilen.
Why don't I know you?
I just moved in from Africa.
What?
I used to be homeschooled.
What?
My mom taught me at home.
No, I know what homeschool is. I'm not retarded. So you've actually never been to a real school before? Shut up. Shut up!
I didn't say anything.
That's really interesting.
Thanks.
You look really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
So you agree?
What?
You think you're really pretty?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my god, I love your bracelet. Where did you get it?
My mom made it.
It's adorable.
So, veg.
What is veg?
Oh, it's like sing from England.
So, you're from Africa. Why are you white?
Oh my gosh, Karen, you can't ask people why are they white.
Could you give us some privacy for a second?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, you should just know we don't do this a lot. This is like a really hard deal.
We want to invite you to have a lunch with us every day of the rest of the week.
Okay, it's okay.
Cool, so we see you tomorrow.
Wednesday we wear pink.
Wednesday. Wat is klaar?
Oh,
God,
Dat lijkt me best wel eng om het laatste zinnetje te hebben, want als dat kan, dan gaat